Okay, traders, is trading gold something that you're interested in? Seems to be pretty popular and it can be fairly volatile. I want to show you how you can navigate the volatility and come out ahead in a big way. This trade's running at the moment. Stop loss is now at break even, slightly under break even actually. Let's just push it up a little bit higher just so that we cover our fees. Look at these signals. I'm going to show you something that is extremely valuable. Notice that I've got this alert set here. I took this trade based on this alert. This is how you don't have to miss any of these opportunities. In my Discord here, okay, I posted this. I'm looking for a bullish momentum sink breakout with gold, right? That was the idea right there. All you need to do is just go straight into the momentum sink indicator, set the alert, and when it goes off, take the trade. Lo and behold, the alert fired, so I posted this. Okay, guys, I'm in. I've got an alert. Let's go. This one was when the stop loss was moved to break even. Okay, that was an update. So you can follow these. Generally going to be posting these for the London and the New York session. However, we'll cover the 3 sessions. This is the Asian session at the moment. There's an update. Now here is a really important video. This is a full tutorial on a trading strategy. It's in the Trade Ideas mentorship down the bottom. All right, let's go back to the trade, and I want to show you just how powerful this is and how you can trade this really easily. By the way, just quickly before I do jump in, scammer alert. If you go into my Discord, and if you haven't joined, the link is on my website, okay, anthonyfx.com. Start here, drop that down, scam alert. Just understand, I will never contact you trying to be friendly and then making offers. These are all scammers taking my name and my image. You need to report them immediately. I will never reach out to you. If you want something, you contact me. Okay, I don't need to reach out to anybody in here, right? So, anyway, let's come back to this. This is how you trade gold. Okay, first up, I'm going to go out of here. We've got a 4-hour chart, and what we're looking for is this to go off on the 4H. And you've got to watch out because some of them will go off a little bit late. Let's have a look at both of these. But when these go off, we get involved. I'm just marking these 3 here. I mean, look back and you'll see that this was pretty wild, okay? It doesn't get any better than this. All right, we're looking for these signals on the 4-hour time frame. Look at this back here, this green one back here. And then that's when we start to get involved. In fact, there's another signal we're looking for as well on the 4-hour. It's a little bit subtle, but I'll point it out. See here, see the little asterisk above my eyeball. Okay, we want that as well. There's one here. All right, the asterisk, look at this one here, look. This is gold. This is gold, guys. Right, what we have here is so valuable. It's worth a lot. Look at these asterisks. Right, we want to get involved. We'll have a look at those eyeballs as well. So let's check it out. And it's really simple. Okay, we have the markup, so let's just go to a 30-minute chart. Now, this big signal fired the markup on the 4-hour chart right here. Okay, and this will be a full tutorial, guys. This will show you how you can trade this to grow an account and pass your prop firm challenge. This was the 4-hour signal, that white line. What we do is we then come in and we create an alert on the momentum sink, and we take the next buy signal. Happened right there. So we would take that trade, right? Enter, long position, that's it. And look, let me just show you something. This is how amazing this system is. Look, check this out. On the 30-minute chart, you're not going to find this anywhere else. Seriously, look. See this low to high pullback? See that buy signal? Watch this. Low to high pullback. Look at the buy signal there. It gives you this rotation when it's starting to rotate. Low high pullback. Look, it's giving you the rotation. This is so valuable. Rotates Get involved. Look, low to high, pullback, starting to rotate. So what these are giving you is the pullback, and what you can do is you can trail these stop losses. See the this green shaded zone here. Let me just take these out and I'll show you something. You've got this green shaded zone. I'm just gonna reduce that, and I'm gonna reduce that. See the green shaded zone? So when you take these trades here, you can trail. So let's just say you enter. Okay, your stop loss goes on that green shaded zone. Right, so you're going to open multiple trades. Keep your position size small, because you want to be able to really add to this thing. So now you've got 5 or 6, 7 trades open, just running through here. At some stage you're going to watch out. You're going to pull back. I don't want to get too technical, but I've talked about this 3 drive pattern: drive 1, drive 2, drive 3. I've talked about this a lot in my videos. Okay, just keep an eye out for that. 3 drives. All right, that's the 3 drive pattern there. 1, 2, 3, drive 1, 2, and 3. Usually get a bit of a pullback, but anyway, let's just not get too technical. See the green shaded zone? You can follow that. Let's just say we entered here and the green shaded zone is here. All right, all of these stop losses now come up. Even bring them up to break even if you like. They're pretty good signals. So let's just go back and have a look at these points of interest on the 4 hour. This one here was the 4 hour, and we did have a buy signal here. So you might get caught out every now and again. Yeah, deep pullback early in the week. This line here represents the beginning of the week. So it started off, it ran straight up. You've got to watch that because that's a stop run. And look what they do, down it goes. And then for the rest of the week, it goes up. But, regardless of that, let's just, look, there's ways we can get around this potential losing trade. And I mean, look, it doesn't matter. It's going to happen. You're going to lose 1 or 2 here and there, right? But look at all this. Look at all these buy signals. See, that was another 4 hour time frame here. That gave you these 3 buy signals. If we go back, the eyeball was another, remember that one, the eyeball? Okay, go in after the eyeball, look at that. Okay, we're looking for the eyeball, and it's all bullish. We're disregarding any red signals. See how the background's green? We're going to stick with green signals in a green background. Alright, yeah. Come back down into here. See how the trend gets exhausted. Yeah, at the end of the trend, you're going to potentially lose a couple. Following that green shaded zone, and you can close everything as soon as you see a red candle as well. Okay, you're looking at that green shaded zone for your stop loss, and I mean every one of these. Now we're in the red zone, so we're looking for a red opportunity. The red zone. Okay, so here's all our red zone sell opportunities here. Well, that one kicked off there. Okay. In the red zone, you go for the set. And early on in these red and green zones are usually going to be better. Towards the end, you'll end up losing, 1 or 2 right at the end, but you want to catch these early. See? I mean, really, guys, which one of these would you not want? All right, so that's the strategy. And, today we are, currently looking really good. That's moved nicely. I'm waiting for another buy signal to kick in. So now we're up around 1.25R. Yeah, so stop loss is slightly in the money. That's risk free now. Just going to let that go. It's Monday. Let's just see if we get a bit of distance out of that one. That'd be nice. Anyway, guys, that's gold. If you're looking for a strong system, can help you pass your prop firm challenge or grow your account, this is it right here. I'll be doing daily videos on these. Okay, I was going to go through the settings. Okay, this will be a full tutorial. So that's the trade plan. Just quickly, the 30-minute chart settings. Okay, here we go. I'll just run through these quickly. The tide is 1 hour. Okay, you want to make that change. Scroll down. You'll be able to take a snapshot of all of this. Okay, these are your settings. These are what you want. Down the bottom, you're going to select all. That's it. Okay, that's the momentum sync. The trend bar's 11. I think reset. Yeah, trend bar's 11. You want these 2 here. Yeah, select them because you want to know when the trend bar color turns from. See how it turned from white to green? you get the little asterisk under the green, and that's a signal you can set as well. Alright, the trend bar's 12. I'm going to select 4 hours for the tide. That's it. It's trend bar's 12. The trend channel, that one is set to default, reset. The trend track multi, I've got 4 hour. That's it on that one. That's the 30-minute chart. What else have we got here? Oh yeah, and this one, this is DWM, daily, monthly, weekly. This will give you the weekly range, and I've just got that on show weekly. That's it. Done. Just switch that on and off as I need it. Okay, so that's the 30-minute. Now, if you're limited with your trading view, just go for the momentum sync and the trend channel. It's the only two you're going to need if you want to copy my signals. But if you want to be a little bit independent, and I'll show you how to set up the signals, the alerts as well. On the 4 hour, the trend bar's 11. Yeah, the trend bar's 11. You want these two selected. All right, that's that one. The trend bar's 12, 3 dots, and you're going to go 4 hours for the tide. That's it. So same as the 4 hour. This is a 4 hour time frame. Trend channel. Yeah, that's just set to default. It's just reset to default the trend channel. That's it. Oh yeah, and you've got this one down here, down the bottom, righto. That guy. Well, it's actually not picking up a crossover. It's telling you when gold is moving away and the dollar is moving the other way. Right? It's when these two start really moving in the opposite direction. Plus, it's got a whole bunch of stuff going on anyway. This one here is setting up 4 hour and daily. Okay, the wave is 4, the tide is daily. And I've got Friday on there as well if you want to take the risk on Friday. That's it. Go, okay. Drop it right down because it'll give you the signals on here as well. That's it, guys. Yeah. You can just drop that down and pull it up whenever you need it. So the alerts, this is how to set the alerts on this now. You want the 4 hour chart is going to be a permanent alert. This is if you're just like looking for everything related to this, to gold, okay. I've actually got this set up to go across my entire Pepperstone list. 3 dots, add alert. You got to come down to, oh yep, okay, any alert. Notifications, droplet. I use the droplet, notify an app, righto. So that's this one. Create. I've actually got that set up on my entire Pepperstone, my entire list. Alright, cancel. So that's this one down here, because I want these are really good alerts. When that goes off, you come into the chart, and then you're going to look for the opportunity after that alert fires. You're not trading that alert. So when that goes off, you jump in, and you go, okay, the 4 hour alert went off, and now I want this alert. So you go 3 dots, add alert, and look, depending on your bias, if you're looking for a buy, just select buy signal only. So it only gives you the buy signal. Once per bar is okay. Message. Alright, and notification, I'm going to select a different sound, flickering. So set up that, done. Okay, when that goes off over here, click on it, come in, there's your buy signal, take the trade. Your stop loss just follows that green shade down there on the 30-minute chart. And immediately after you do this, you're going to come in here, channel 12 will give you an exit. So add alert, okay, and you're looking for, in this case, it's a buy, so you're looking for TP exit bullish trade. See that? When you mouse over that, TP exit a bullish trade. Once per bar. Okay, exit. Alright, TP or exit, right? Whichever one you want. Okay. And on the notifications, I'm going to make it a noise that stands out. This one sounds like a frog. Notify in my phone app. Once per bar, create. And that'll give you these little dots. See this dot? That dot right there. That's the exit. See how it reached that dot and then it pulled back. Oh, that's a pretty good exit alert. That's pretty much it, guys. So gain access. The link's on my website. You'll either see this opportunity or you won't. This is not for everybody. If you find it difficult to follow a strategy, this is not for you. But if you can stay disciplined and set up a trade plan, here's your opportunity. Okay? With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.